morning, you guys, or actually good afternoon because it's almost 1:30 right now. I actually just finished getting ready for the day. My hair is still kind of damp and like air drying a little bit, so it will probably get wavy throughout this video. But today I wanted to do another little like day in my life vlog. I like to do these every so often, and today I'm actually going to do a fall closet clean out, so I thought it'd be fun to take you guys along with me. I like to go through my closet every so often and kind of like transition clothes out that I'm not wearing. If you are like a frequent watcher of my channel, you'll see a lot of like repeated outfits because I really do tend to wear like the same things over and over again. So whatever I am not wearing, I am just going to get rid of today. But my goal today is to kind of transition my closet into just like staples, kind of create like a capsule wardrobe with basics and essentials and things that I wear all the time. Like all of my sweatshirts, those will definitely be a keep. So it should be pretty fun. I think I am going to get another cup of coffee because this is very watered down. And then we can get started. Beautiful. My ASMR king. Okay, very sorry about the lighting in here. It is orange. I'm gonna do my tank tops first. A lot of these are just like basics, essentials, so I will be keeping the majority of them. We can get rid of this one because my boobs do not fit in it anymore. Same with this super cute little baby doll top from Abercrombie. I love this shirt. My boobs just don't fit anymore. It's so sad. Same with this top from Glass-Ons. This is like the perfect going out top. It has like an opening here. It's kind of like a tie top. So there's quite a bit of cleavage. It holds everything in really nicely, but this is a size small. I think that if I were to get a medium, it would have been so much better, but it's a little bit tight. So I'm going to get rid of this one. I've had this raincoat for 2 or 3 years and it still has the tags on it, so I feel like I should get rid of it. It's really, really cute, but this is so hard. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys everything that I cleaned out, starting with the coat. It's so adorable. I'm still on the fence. Little pink sweats with the little heart pockets. This set from Set Active. I could keep the leggings, but the bra doesn't fit because of, you know, similar reasons as why I'm getting rid of a lot of these things. My tatas are too large. This flowy short. This cinched crop top. Honestly, it's really adorable, but I feel like I'm too curvy. So it doesn't really like accentuate my curves. It just makes me look frumpy. These green flowy sweats from Urban Outfitters. Parachute pants. Asymmetrical bodysuit. This cropped sweater. This is from Privacy Please. And if you look close, it's kind of like glittery. It has like tinsel in it. Really cute and festive for the holidays, but I have kind of overworn this one. This little party top. This very beloved crew neck. Cozy little jacket. It has a hood. It's kind of like wearing a robe around the house. It's kind of like a lounge jacket. It's really freaking soft, but I feel like I never wear it. This is another one that I actually really, really love, but I feel like I've overworn it. I don't know. Oversized sweater, little long sleeve from ASOS. Another crew neck. This one is adorable, but I cannot wear white. Graphic tees. This one's like a sweat shirt tank top combo. It's kind of like oatmeal color knit sweater. And then these little tanks. I am going to miss this little baby doll tank so much. It's so adorable. Actually, I just found some dresses that I am going to list as well. This one from Hollister. It's new with tags. I bought this as like a really cute little summer dress. I never ended up wearing it. And then this dress from LPA I've had for years, but I have never worn it because where would I wear it? I don't know. I have a really hard time getting rid of things like this because this is so cute, but like other than dressing up as like Legally Blonde for Halloween, I have no idea when I would ever wear this. I am also getting rid of a few shoes. I'm getting rid of these Nikes. These are adorable, but I also have them in like this night green colorway, and I wear these more often. I'm also getting rid of these boots. I've only worn them once for just a photo, so they're kind of like new. But I have a few other sneakers and heels and stuff listed on my Depop right now, and some bags that I don't really wear anymore.
You in the backyard of your old farm in the summer. Stayed there for 3 weeks where we learned to love each other. Wrote you letters, sent a message to the that day. Skip to the present, haven't been so happy ever.
Okay, I just finished listing everything on Depop, so it is live on my page now. Be sure to check it out if you guys are interested. But right now it is 3 p.m. I think I'm going to read for a little bit this afternoon while I can. I started a new book yesterday and it's pretty cute so far, so I definitely want to get back into that today and finish it up before the end of the week. Good morning, you guys. Yesterday was so emotional and chaotic. I did not get to finish vlogging, but I have so much to update you on. So this past week my grandma was actually in town and she was staying with me in my guest bedroom, and we had such a nice little visit. I've always been really close with my grandma, and for like entire summers I would go out and visit and stay with her for like the 2-3 months before school started again, and we always had such a good time. So it was definitely like nostalgic in that way, and definitely funny to have like those roles switch where she's staying with me. But the reason that she was actually in town is because my brother was in town, and he's in the Marines. He had actually just finished training and like boot camp and everything at 29 Palms, so he was here the past 3 weeks, which was absolutely not long enough, especially because he had so much to prepare for before deployment. But last night both him and my grandma left on the same day, and my brother left to Okinawa in Japan. He's actually going to be stationed there for the next 3 years, which is just, I can't even fathom that stretch of time. And of course I'm hoping I can visit him because I've always wanted to go to Japan and it's always been on my bucket list. But obviously not having him here and him being on the other side of the globe, it's definitely been super emotional, and like thinking about like all of the milestones that we're going to miss. Like, he's pretty young, he's only 19, but he is going to be turning 21 in this time frame, and like just upcoming holidays like Halloween, Thanksgiving, this Christmas, like we're not going to see him. So it's definitely been like very sad. So honestly, I haven't been feeling too hot these past few days, but I'm trying to get back into the swing of things and back into my routine. In other news, I was unboxing some PR goodies this morning, and I got a package from Too Faced with their new Cocoa Bold lipsticks, and today I'm wearing this one in chocolate strawberry, and they smell so good. They smell like chocolate covered strawberries. This color is really pretty, so this is probably going to be a new fave of mine. I like the packaging too, it's really cute. I'm also wearing the Fenty Gloss Bomb with it though. This is in the shade Fussy. Apparently it is lipstick season because I also got this in the mail from Makeup Forever. There's so many pretty shades in here, and I love the Makeup Forever lip liners, so definitely excited to try these out as well. And in even more exciting news, I just received this ARC copy of The Do-Over by Lynn Painter, who I adore so much. This one actually comes out on November 15th, but they sent me this one and I'm so excited to read it. So I'm going to start this maybe later this afternoon. I have to catch you guys up on what I'm currently reading now, because spoiler alert, It is not this. When I last left you, I was reading this one and didn't finish it. I'm only like 75 pages in, but I think this is a DNF for me. It is extremely boring. There's nothing going on, and I don't feel like the main character is very likable. And this is definitely something I should have anticipated with this book, because it does say like the main character is obsessed with true crime, and I listen to true crime podcasts all the time. I have always found true crime to be very interesting. I think a lot of women and people in general do. But there's a very fine line between finding them interesting and glorifying / romanticizing them, and I think the main character kind of falls into the latter. And I truly hope this does not offend anyone, but there is a sub-genre of people that, you know, like watch Bailey Sarian religiously, or like listen to morbid true crime podcasts and take it a little bit too far. Like listening to true crime and wearing Jeffrey Dahmer merch and making it your entire like quirky personality is two different things, and this main character is giving me like the quirky girl vibes, and I'm not into it. I don't know, but the cover is so cute. I wanted it to be really good, but it's not doing it for me. I asked on Instagram, I was like, has anyone read this? Like, do I keep going? Does it get better? And the majority was like, no, it does not get better. Everyone that replied was like, nothing really happens in this book. It takes way too long for the main character and the love interest to kind of like get together. So not really great reviews, and I'm really sad because I thought it was gonna be like a cute read, but it did not do it for me. So instead, I finally started Then She Was Gone by Lisa Jewell yesterday. I am currently on page 240, chapter 39, so almost done. I'm definitely going to finish this one today and let you guys know my thoughts, but it is so good, and this is one that people have been telling me to read forever, and I don't know why I kept putting it off, but I am so sucked into this story right now. I think I'm going to finish this up since I only have like 100 pages left, so I need to know what happens. Okay, I finished it and it was so good. I know that this book is older. I think, let me see, 2017, 2018. So I feel like a lot of you guys have probably already read this one, because when I posted that I was reading this one on Instagram, so many people replied and were like, oh my god, it's so good, la 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 la. So for those of you that have not, it was really good. I liked it. It was definitely a page turner. I'd say that it was a little bit more predictable. Like I knew where it was going, but one thing that like while the story was unraveling, I was like, how are they going to end this? How are they going to like wrap this up in a neat little bow? Like what goes on? And I actually like the ending of this one. Mostly I just feel so bad for Poppy, because that 9-year-old girl has gone through way too much in her little lifetime. Definitely a really good suspenseful read, and a quick one as well. It's like 330-ish pages around there, but you can't put it down once you start reading, so it's definitely a quick read. I think this is the only book that I've read by Lisa Jewell, so I definitely want to check out a few of her other books, so I'll keep you guys posted on that. Now I feel like it is a perfect time to start the new rom-com, The Do-Over by Lynn Painter, so I'm really excited. I'll keep you guys posted on how that one is as well. But thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. I love you so much, and I will see you soon. Bye!